My name's Riley. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a PhD student in the Monash Warwick Alliance, so doing a joint PhD. Right now I'm at Warwick University. So I'm studying particle physics, and my PhD is in the LHCb collaboration. So LHCb is an experiment which we have built to study the early universe, to study the conditions of the early universe. So it's built at a particle accelerator known as the Large Hadron Collider. This particle accelerator collides protons together at incredible energies to recreate these conditions of the early universe. And then we've built a detector around those collisions to study what happens. So the LHCb collaboration is specifically concerned with looking for what we call new physics, which is more or less the idea of physics that we don't yet understand. So looking for example, new particles that might exist that are not included in our current theories, and really precisely testing what our current theories tell us to make sure that we understand how the universe works. So my smaller group here at Warwick, we're in the area of what we call rare decays. So we're working with extremely rare processes that may have occurred at the start of the early universe sort of period around the Big Bang. And we're looking for those processes to really study whether we understand them, because these are particularly promising in terms of places that we might find these new particles. So throughout my undergraduate degree, I did not do much particle physics, interestingly. I did obviously study physics, but I was more of a theoretical physicist, studying quantum mechanics. But then luck would have it, basically, that I met my supervisor at a small event. Here I am 3 years later, continuing it, enjoying it. And yeah, I think this is the area that I would like to continue my research in as well. The main highlight has been this opportunity to travel that I've had. So being part of this Monash Warwick Alliance means that I get to travel across the world here to Warwick University. I've never been overseas too much before, but in the same, as part of this opportunity to travel, I was able to go spend some time at CERN, the Centre for European Nuclear Research, which is where the LHC is located, and our experiment. So that was quite an amazing experience, really. I got to travel underground 100 metres to where the LHC tunnel and our experiment are located. And I spent some time exploring around our detector, which ordinarily I'm just working on remotely from my computer in my office. So that was really quite an amazing experience. I got to network and meet a lot of other people in the collaboration that I'm working within, and that's really expanded the options for the future and opened a lot of doorways for me. For me, the joint PhD has been one of the best experiences that I've had so far. I would strongly recommend anyone who's interested to investigate and get involved. It may seem scary, the idea of having, say, 2 supervisors on opposite sides of the world. How can I cope with all of this? One's hard enough. But it's really expands your options quite significantly, and you get the opportunity to see and work with, for example, laboratories on different sides of the world, see how they operate, and really expand your options.